Welcome to Bubble Art Kids. Hello kids! Let's dive into water vehicles. They float and sail on rivers, lakes and oceans. Boat. Boats are small and used for fishing or fun rides. Ship. A ship is huge and travels across the sea. Yacht. Yachts are fancy boats, great for vacations. Sailboat. A boat with a sail that moves with the wind. Submarine. Submarines go deep underwater. Wow! Jet ski. Jet skis are fast and fun on the waves. Ferry. Ferries carry people and cars across the water. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye-bye.